are you doing to Mackenzie? No, you can't put it on me.
Who's that?
Declan.
Who is it? Hey! See the smiles. Hello? Oh my goodness, he's gonna bite you.
No biting. No biting allowed. No. Where are you going?
Who's that? Is your friend over to visit? Yeah, is your friend? Are you visiting? Yeah. Think he understands each other?
Maybe.
It's their baby talk.
Are you going to talk to Mackenzie? There you go. Oh, don't bite her. No biting. No biting. That's her scratching me while he's biting. Listen.
Oh, watch his own headbutt too.
You're too rough. You're too rough. She's only a little girly. You're too rough.
He's getting mad now.
You too rough. Don't kick her. Ruffian. Here, sit down this way. Sit down next to her. Hey.
Hello.
You gonna say hello? Declan. You're a little ruffian.
Look, he's trying to take her clothes off already. You bad, bad, bad. Give me that. Hello. Oh, no, she's gonna get you now. Too funny. What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Is this your boyfriend? Huh? Look looking at him. How cute.
Yeah.